Hey everyone, Opera Browser provides a fast and customizable browsing experience. Sometimes we need to block certain websites. This helps us reduce distractions, protect children from harmful content, or limit access to specific sites on shared computers. Blocking websites lets us create a safer and more focused browsing environment without stopping all internet access. Knowing how to do this correctly ensures these restrictions work well and don't interrupt our usual browsing. This guide explains how to block websites on Opera using safe and effective methods like browser extensions, parental control settings, or system-level tools. Opera does not always have a built-in website blocking feature, so we use these other options to restrict access. This guide will help us pick the best way, whether we want to boost productivity, keep our family safe, or follow workplace rules. By following these steps, we can block certain websites while keeping the rest of our browsing smooth. First, we open our Opera browser. We will walk through the steps to block websites on Opera in a simple way. Once we are in Opera, we go to Extensions. We use the Chrome Web Store for extensions because Opera does not have a built-in block site extension. On the Chrome Web Store, we look for extensions. We just wait for the page to load. Once we are in the extension section, we search for the block site extension. We use the extension with a 4.4 rating. This extension is helpful for blocking websites in Opera. We add it to Opera and install it. After that, we wait for it to finish installing and confirm by adding the extension. Now, block site is in our Opera browser. If we want to block a website, we open that site. Once the page loads, if we want to block it, we right-click anywhere on the page. Then, we see the option Block this page. When we click that, the page will not load anymore. It will be blocked and added to our block site list. We can also add privacy protections in Opera. Just click the shield logo with the check mark. Here, we can turn off trackers and block them. By turning this on, we can block the page. Once we have blocked the website, we can enjoy a more controlled and distraction-free browsing experience. Regularly checking and updating our block site list keeps our restrictions useful and up-to-date. Whether our goal is productivity, safety, or better online management, knowing how to block sites gives us more control over internet use. With the right setup, we can browse confidently, knowing our online space fits our needs.